Welcome, ladies, non-binaries, and gentlemen, to pizza. I'm making my famous pizza. It's the best in the town. To start, preheat the oven to the optimal book-burning temperature, Fahrenheit 451 or Celsius 233. You'll start with a metal baking tray and lightly coat it in olive oil. Lightly. You should leave your dough out for half an hour, 45 minutes even, so that it'll be warm enough, soft enough to work with. I've got a bag. I've tried making my own dough, but it's always too sticky, so I haven't bothered. Now, the dough. Quiet, dog. Stretch it out. Let it fall. It should get rectangle. Oh, and people are home. Get the corners. This is probably good. Yes, the corners retract. It's the most annoying thing ever. Now, the dough ready. It's sauce time. A big spoon. And spread it around thinly. This is probably fine. And now, the cheese. This is probably fine. Toppings. The best topping is a controversial one. Pineapple. Hawaiian pizza was actually invented by a Greek Canadian inspired by Chinese cooking. Mr. Worldwide it is. I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to the toppings. I like them to be distributed evenly. This is the most time-consuming part of the pizza process. Hey, I used to put the pineapples in a very precise grid, and it took even longer than this. Minor adjustments. And we're out of pineapple, so might as well drink the pineapple juice. But the Hawaiian pizza is not complete without the meat. I use Canadian bacon, and if you're like me and you've frozen it beforehand, you should put it in a bowl of cool water to defrost it. Three should generally be enough for this size of pizza. I'm a detail-oriented kind of guy. Very meticulous. This is probably fine. My secret ingredient, finally, is cheddar cheese. Mom, do you have anything to say about that?
Well, back in the late 80s and early 90s, I used to go to this pizza place in Harvard Square called Ruggles Pizza, and it touted itself as British pizza, and they used cheddar cheese on it, and it was so good. So I really like that there's cheddar cheese on this pizza because it kind of reminds me of that pizza that I used to love when I was growing up.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Mom. This is probably fine. The pizza is ready to go into the oven. Let me also pick up my microphone. And now open the oven with my foot so that I can hold the camera. Hopefully I got the angle correct. Dexterity 100. I probably didn't have to do all that because the oven is in scene the whole time. And set an 8-minute timer for half of the pizza. That is the half of the pizza. So, open the oven. Here's how it looks. See how one half's more cooked than the other? Turn it around. To ensure even heating. For another 8 minutes. The pizza is now done. Perhaps even a little brown. Take a good look at it. It's beautiful. And here it is. Well, please, ladies, non-binaries, and gentlemen, be sure to absolutely smash the like, subscribe, and bell buttons as if they were your prejudice about pineapple on pizza. Thank you for watching. It's delicious. One last thing. I pride my pizza on structural integrity. You can turn the whole thing upside down and no toppings will ever fall off.